Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is inside the bag. Well, we have stamped cross stitch and a little bag. All right, this comes from DPClubs, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, they'll be right along here and in the description box below. So let's see what we have in the little package first. If I can get it undone, I swear, they do a really good job at wrapping these. Whoops, almost. So, I saw a new one of these to add to my extensive collection here. Let me get it out of the bag, perhaps. All right, it is the two tigers that I had in the Tai Chi. I think I have this one. As far as a cross stitch, I'm trying to get the light to shine on. It's really sparkly, and it's two tigers. And this was $5.39. It does have a piece of plastic on the back. There we go. We'll get rid of that. There's no plastic on the front, but isn't that beautiful? I thought it was just gorgeous. So we will add it to our collection up there. Let's take a look at the cross stitch. Let me get this out of its bag. All right, I will put a picture of this right here. Is that not gorgeous? Look at all those beautiful, beautiful colors. The panda bears, the buildings. I just absolutely loved it. Product number is up here. It's a 60 by 45. And it was $14.79, but it's all one page. It's 233 stitches by 168 stitches, and it has 38 colors. The paper pattern is printed very nicely. Very, very easy to see because it's an 11 count, and it's going to have some confetti because you have those buildings, you have the details. So, yeah, it's kind of sprinkled here, there, and everywhere. But very pretty. Very nicely done for them. I like that. Now, I'm not sure of the company that did this. But, yeah. And we're going to keep this separate. Let's find out what else is in the bag. You have a toolkit with a papillon, which is a butterfly, which is very, very hard to see. I don't know that you can tell that's what that is at all. I don't know if I put something behind it. Oh no, that just made it worse, I think. Yep. Anyway, it has 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. Does have instructions on how to start, how to finish, what to do in the end. And it also has a few examples of different stitches and how to do them. So that's nice if you're new at this. And we have our threads on a thread card. We're going to match these now. So it's the product number is 1692, 1692, and 1692, which is very nice. Now let's get these threads out and take a look at them. If I can just figure out which way. Give me a sec. All right. Did you notice that? I turned it back on and I still hadn't taken it out of the bag. I'm telling you. We're just getting pretty lame. Let's take a look at all these beautiful colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous threads. Looks like 498 red. We didn't look at the numbers, did we? So we have 154, which is mulberry, 310 black, 550 purple is in here, no 823, no 939, no 3371, and not sure what they're going to use for white, if at all, because there's no 3865 or B5200. So you got some pale colors, but I'm not seeing anything that I would distinguish as white, but beautiful, gorgeous colors. You turn it around, you got your purples. There's B5200, there's 310 black, and the mulberry color. Beautiful greens, golds, kind of a more of a magenta red. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Just stunning. And you got pale pinks. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. And a pale, pale, pale purple. So maybe they're just using pale shades as a white. Maybe there's not that much white in it. Just beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Not real thrilled with the fact that they are on tabs, but, you know, we'll just work with it. All right. Let me put this back in its bag. They'll be crinkling, because I don't want to get anybody lost. We'll just roll that up there, and let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is, it's not soft, but it's not stiff, but it's smooth. Very nice and smooth. And it should crinkle down really well. Very nice key. The stitching just barely grazes the edge of the symbol code. So very nice. And your paper pattern will match your canvas. Has the product number up here and how big it is down here. It is kind of big-ish. Kind of wide. It's almost 50 deep. So let's see here. We have 60.5, because over here on this edge, you have just a bit of a selvage edge. And this way, it is 45 centimeters or 17 3/4 inches. The actual size is a little over 15 1/4 inches or 39 centimeters. Got everybody all flipped all over which way. And this way it is 21 inches or 53.5 centimeters. So very nice size. It's not too big. It's not too small. It is full coverage. And there's going to be some confetti. I'm trying to roll that up as fast as I can. There's some confetti right here where all the trees are. And then you come over here and you have some bigger areas. And then you have some that just runs in rivers. So that's very nice. Very nice indeed. And more confetti, you know, where... Oh, I wish I had the picture. Too bad they didn't print that on there. Come on, guys, get with it. There are trees here, there, and everywhere, and that's where most of your confetti is going to be. You know, not to mention a little bit of confetti where the buildings are and that kind of thing. So, very nice. Very nice indeed. Let's see if I can get it folded up. Good gravy. Thing was just wide. But it'll fit on... It's not fitting on my desk, and that's operator error, believe me. Now, DPClubs, like I said, if they have any specials, if I have any discount codes, it'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. And let's see, they do cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They do not have embroidery, and I do believe I have... you know, speaking of discount codes, I think I have a 15% off discount code, so feel free to use that. It's good for for eternity. It'll be mine. So, yeah, do check them out. Thank you, DPClubs, for this beautiful kit and this lovely, lovely needle minder. It's gorgeous. I love it. Just love it. Well, it's a threader needle minder because I use it for both. But yeah, awesome. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.